Today at the shop, we'll be changing an exhaust manifold on a Subaru Outback. Start by removing the bolts and nuts from both exhaust flanges, and then disconnect the 4 oxygen sensors. Then next we'll remove the manifold bolts from both heads. And then you'll pull off the whole exhaust. Taking a look, you can see that the flex pipe on that side failed, and also the gasket was leaking. Need to remove the oxygen sensors, keeping track of where they came from because they are location specific. And then install those sensors into the new manifold. Now if you're going to replace those exhaust studs in the cylinder heads, you can use a bolt extractor to pull those out. And you want to clean that surface off, prepare it for a new gasket so it'll be sealed up. Go ahead and install new exhaust studs. And put those gaskets in place. Now you can go ahead and reinstall the new manifold. You're going to tighten all 4 of those exhaust nuts to 30 foot-pounds. We'll put a new flange gasket and tighten those bolts up as well, also to 30 foot-pounds. You need to make sure to reconnect all the oxygen sensors. And you should be back on the road.